Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Arms rise out to the sides and float back down. Breathing in and out. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and we cross down for sinking the chi. Breathing in and out. Now take one foot and step it out about shoulder width. And the arms come out in front of us, shoulder height, and float back down. And we're opening the door. Breathing in and out. Our arms floating up like streamers, and the breeze blows away. And they float back down. Now round your arms out in front of you like you're giving a big hug. And this hand floats to the top to your chest, and this hand follows underneath. And embrace the moon. Toss that moon, switch your hands, and catch it again. Breathe in and out. And give that big hug again. And sink the chi. And now we are going to catch that moon again. Take a little step in and step out as this hand rises up and this hand comes down by the hip, or parting the horse's mane. In and breathe out, becoming the main tall horse. And out. And lean back on that back leg and turn to the other side. Catch the moon. Take that other step in, step out, and comb the horse's hair. Breathe in and out. Back on that back leg and turn. Catch the moon on this side. Take that step out. Comb the horse's hair And now, lean forward, bring this hand up and the knee follows, and the rooster stands on one leg. And take it back. And the rooster stands on one leg. Let's do that one more time. And take it back. And just comb that horse's hair one time. Lay back on the back leg and turn. Comb the horse's hair. And the rooster stands on one leg. And take it back. In. And out. And take it back. Comb the horse's hair one time. And let's turn to the other side. Bring it in. Comb the horse's hair. Rooster stands on one leg. And now we're going to bring this out, back, and this is brush, knee, and push. This hand falls, this hand rises, and circle back around. Moving in, and out. And bring this around, catch the moon, comb that horse's hair, rooster stands on one leg, and bring it down, brush, knee, and push. This hand falls, this hand rises, circle around, brush, knee, and push. Turn to center, give that big hug, and sink the sheep. And give that big hug, catch the moon, take that little step in, and step out, comb the horse's hair, in, and out. and turn to the other side, catch the moon on the horse's hair. In and out. And turn to the other side. Comb the horse's hair one time. Take a little bit of a wider step back. Up, reach up, reach up. And lean down for pyramid pose. And bend that front knee and reach up again into warrior one. And straighten and back down to pyramid pose. And back to warrior one. And pyramid pose one more time. Let's do it again. And leave that wiggle. And bring it back down. Comb the horse's hair one time. Turn to the other side. Catch that moon. Comb the horse's hair just one time. Take that wider step back. Reach up, up, and make sure your legs are straight and lean down for pyramid pose. Bring it back up, bend that front knee, and reach for warrior one. And straighten and lean down to pyramid pose. And bend that front knee. And one last time, let's bring it back to warrior one. And bring it back down. And comb the horse's hair. Just one time. Bring it to center and sink the cheek. And now we're going to come up and over that moon. And bring it back up to the heart space. And back down. Up and over. Press it down. And then back up to the heart space. Make a diamond shape with your fingers and press it out. And this sequence is opening the heart. And release. Move back up and over. And back up and over that moon. Let's do it again. diamond shape with your fingers and press it out, out, out. And release. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in and out. Do a diamond shape with your fingers and press it out. And release and sink the cheek. One foot returns, two hands together, and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class.